ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. That is the book. There is no doubt in this book because this book is free from any doubt and free from any error. And it is also free from doubt that this book is really the guidance for the mankind, but with the eligibility of fearing God. Hudal lil muttaqin, guidance for those who are muttaqin. Muttaqin means those who fear God. So they don't do the evil. They don't do the sins. They don't do the things which is against the commands of Allah. Rather, they do the things which is according to the commands of Allah. So Quran can be a guidance for us by the will of Allah if we have a fearing God, taqwa. Taqwa is like in Tagalog, takot. Taqwa is a fear of God, and because of the fear of God, you follow His commandments and you don't disobey Him and you don't do the things which is forbidden. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. And Allah is now mentioning the next. الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. And Allah is saying that these people, those who are really fearing God, then they have these qualities. What is the qualities? الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. Those who believe in unseen. We did not see Allah with our eyes, we believe in Allah. We did not see Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we believe him. We did not see all the prophets, we believe in them. We did not see the angels, we believe in them. We did not see the day of judgment, we believe in day of judgment. We did not see the hellfire and the paradise, we believe in hellfire and paradise. Unseen. Believing in unseen, but with authority, with evidence. This big universe, someone made it and someone is running it and somebody is going to destroy it. And that's the evidence that it's God who made this universe and who's running that universe and who's going to destroy that universe. وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and they establish the salah, means they pray with jamaat. They establish the salah with jamaat, iqamus salah. وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and what is we given them as a risk, they spend from it. Spending to ourselves, spending to our families, spending to our relatives, spending to our neighbors, spending to all the human beings in the world. And then the quality of those who fear in God, and there's those who are entitled to get the guidance. Also, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. Another three things. What are these three things? Those who believe what is sent down to you, to Prophet Muhammad. The Quran, the revelation come to Prophet Muhammad, they believe in it. وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ, and what was revealed before you, to Prophet Jesus, to Prophet Moses, to Prophet Abraham, to Prophet Noah, to all the prophets, all the revelation, we believe in it. We believe in Injil, the book given to Prophet Isa, Jesus. We believe in Torah, the book given to Prophet Musa, we believe in it. We believe in the Zabur, the book given to Prophet Dawood. We don't reject. Whatever the books come in all the history of the human being, we believe in all those revelations. And we are not believer without it. So we believe in all the prophets and we believe in all the revelation of God, Allah. But it's another thing, there are lots of corruption in those revelations. That's why Allah said in the final book, the Quran. But there are truth in those books. We are not allowed to insult any book of any previous book, even though if it is changed already, we are not allowed to insult. We become a disbeliever. We respect the book of Moses, the Torah. We respect book of Jesus, the Isa al-Masih. His book was Injil, Evangelio. We believe in it. We don't reject it.